Hey everybody, this is Jerry Kezhaya at the auto shop in beautiful Plano, Texas. I'm here with one of our master techs, Tim, and you know, I just want to give you an idea. First of all, you're probably wondering, what is this in my hand and why am I hanging on to it? Well, this is a plastic oil pan on a BMW, and I'll just show you. I don't know if the camera will pick this up or not, but there's a crack here in the pan where this bolt was, it actually punched through, and if you look through here you can see daylight coming through the pan. So the engine oil pan is actually broken, and you go, what in the world happened? Well, first of all, I just want to start this conversation with, when you get those little letters from the manufacturer, they come in the mail and they tell you that there's an important service due. Don't blow it off, because here's what happened. This vehicle, there's actually a class action lawsuit because of a faulty design and too much plastic in the interior of the engine. But the drive chain for the oil pump actually broke. And when it did, it broke all, there's lots of pieces of plastic. And here is where the chain connects, and that's what drives the pump. And you see all this is now broken, along with all these pieces that are here in the oil pan and parts of the oil pump where it all came apart. And so because they did not follow the manufacturer's suggestion with that engine repair, they get to replace the engine with another unit. It's certainly not an easy task. It's certainly not an inexpensive task, and it all could have been avoided if they just followed the manufacturer's information. That's what we do here at the auto shop. We make sure that your cars stay running and that they don't break. If you're interested in good, honest, quality auto repair, come see us at the auto shop at Jupiter and Plano Parkway. Call us at 972-578-0588 for an appointment today, or even go online at www.theautoshop.com. We are the shop you trust, and bring us your cars, man. We'll keep you on the road. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next time.